Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 15 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 129, sum root to leaf numbers. So this question is very important and this question is asked in Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Samsung, Oracle, Adobe, many other companies, right? So mark this question as important. Okay, so in this problem we have given the root of a binary tree containing digits from 0 to 9 only, and each root to leaf path in the tree represents a number. Okay, so for example, in this particular case, from 1 to 2 if I go, then this is a number 1 2. Okay, from 1 to 3 if I go, then this is a number 1 3. Okay, so see here in the explanation, the root to leaf path 1 to 2 represents the number 12. The root to leaf path 1 3, it represents the number 13. So in the end we are just going to add these two numbers. 12 plus 13 is 25. Same way in this example. So let me copy this example to a new sheet, then I will explain what's happening here. Okay, so this is the example 2 given to us. Okay, so in this case, okay, so here this is our root node. Okay, so if I go from my root to my left, okay, so then this value will become 49. Okay, 49. And then if I go from this 9 node to this node, then this value become 495. Okay, so this is one value. Then same way from 9 if I go to this 1, then this value will become 491. 491. Okay, and if I go from 4 to 0, then this value will become 40. Okay, so in the end what I am doing here, I am just adding all these numbers: 495, 495, 491. Okay, root to leaf, all the values from root to leaf node. Okay, so I am adding all these. So here 40. Okay, so what is our output? 9 9 18 22 4 4 8 9 10 20 26 is our output. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement. So now let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so this is a tree given to us. Okay, so from 4 node we have our left node as 9, and then we have our right node as 0 here, and then from 9 we have nodes, left node as 5 and right node as 1. Okay, so first of all what I'm going to do here, I'm going from this position. Okay, this is my root, right? From this root I'm going to the left side. Okay, so if I go to this left side, so I am going to initially I am going to use one helper function, and in that helper function I am going to pass two values. Okay, one is my root value, okay, and what is my current value. So initially I am starting from here, so let's take my initial value as 0. Okay, 4 comma 0. Okay, so this is nothing but my root value. Okay, root value, and this is my current value. Okay, current value, you can say it CV. Okay, current value. So, okay, so now from 4 if I go to this 9, then I am going to update this is going to become my root value. Okay, so this thing is clear. This is going to become my root value 9, and here my value I am going to write it like this: 4 into 10 plus 9. Okay, so this 9 is nothing but my root dot value, and this 4 is nothing but this 4. I am getting this from 4 from here. Okay, so 4 into 10, so always I am going to multiply it with 10. Okay, and this 4 is going to be nothing but my previous value. Okay, whatever the previous current value that I am going to get. Okay, so previous current value, okay, so in this way I am going to update the values of this current CV. Okay, so now it will become look like this. In the first case my CV was 0. Okay, so I multiply 0 with the 10 plus 4, so this is 4, right? So this will become my CV. Okay, current value. Initially I am starting from here, then after applying this formula, okay, this will become 4 and CV will become 4. Okay, so initially I am going to pass this. Okay, and then I am going to apply this formula. This formula is nothing but my current value CV, okay, into 10 plus my root dot value. So here see, this 4, now 9. So again I am going to apply this. So last time what was my CV? This 4, right? 4 into 10 plus 9 is nothing but 49. Okay, then after that again I move to the left. Okay, so now my root value is 5, right? And my this is 49 na? So I am going to pick this 49 into 10, that is 49 into 10 plus my root dot value. So this is nothing but 495. So here when I reach here at this particular node, I see that there is no left and there is no right. Okay, so I am going to declare one variable sum, and initially sum is 0. Okay, so I am going to update the value of sum as sum plus this value. Okay, sum plus 495, that is nothing but 495, because my sum is 0, right? After that, once this is done, I am going to again return. Okay, I reach at this node value, okay, this value. Then from here I go to right. So my root dot value in this case is 1, and my previous current value, that is nothing but this 49 na? So 49 into 10 plus 1 is 491. Okay, so same way for this node there is no left and the right, so I am going to add this 491 with the sum. So 495 plus 491, so I am going to get one output. Okay, after that again I am going to return. Okay, again I am going to return. One time this is a right return, then this is left return, then I go to the right of this. Okay, so when I reach to the right of this, so my root value is 0, and again I am going to apply this value. Okay, previous current value. So here at this point, what was my previous value? Previous value was nothing but 4. Okay, here see, it was 4. So 4 into 10 is 40. 40 plus 0, so 40 only. Okay, so same way for this there is no left and no right, so I am going to add this 40 as well. In the end I am going to get my result 1026. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. So first of all, we are going to just declare one variable sum, in which we are going to store the sum. So private int sum is equal to 0, and then this is our main method. So in this main method, if we are first going to check if our root is equal to null, then in that case we have to just simply return 0, and then we are going to call for the helper function. So I am going to write one helper function, sum numbers helper function. In this I am going to pass my root, and initially, as I have told you, we are going to pass 0, and then from after this I am going to just return the sum. Okay, so now let's declare this method. So I am going to use one void method. Okay, so public void this method, and here I am going to pass node and int val. Okay, so initially I am going to check if my node is equal to null. If my node is equal to null, then in that case simply I am going to return. Okay, and then after that I am going to update the current values. Okay, current value, and this current value we have to just multiply this val with 10, and then we have to pass just node dot val. Okay, this is done. Then after that I am going to check if it is a leaf node. Okay, so for leaf node we are going to check like this: if node dot left is equal to null, and node dot right is equal to null, then in that case we have to just operate the sum as sum plus current val, and we have to just return from here. Then in the end we have to just recursively call the method, this sum numbers helper. Okay, so just call this one and 2 times. Okay, first I am going to call for the node dot left. Okay, and here I am passing the current value. Okay, current value. Okay, this is done. And same way call for node dot right. Okay, so now this is done. Let's run the code and see if there are any issues with our code. Okay, why I'm writing it here. Okay, this is done. Now let's run the code and see. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let me submit it. So our solution is accepted and the runtime is just 0 milliseconds. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. Okay, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.